Here's another oldie, UT Models, which I believe turned into auto art. This is like one of my dream cars as a kid. My neighbor had one and a poster. Well, he didn't have one, but he had a poster of one in his garage. And ever since I saw that poster, I fell in love with it. And once I finally found out that someone had made a model of it, I had to get it. It's like if I'd known that this existed when I was a kid, I would totally have snatched it up by now, but I didn't know better. But I gladly have it now. Which I think this is better than the poster because it's 3D, right? Actually be 4D, but man, these older companies made it difficult to get into these things. Alrighty, well, got that out. Another model that was not fun to tear apart. At least the box. Let's get this off. Guessing this probably didn't come from the factory. Unfortunately, it does have a cracked windshield, but for the price I got it at, you can't really complain. Man, that's a good looking car. I used to have an E36, a 328 IS. This is the car that, actually inspired me to own one. Although this is an M3. Well, race car. Still had a 328 IS, and that thing was a blast to drive. Ooh, wow, not a whole lot of detail going on in the engine bay. I mean, this model is pretty old, before the days where details started going crazy. The trunk is sealed. I'm just kind of surprised it even turns with that lack of detail going on. Let's see. So the rotors turn with the wheels, but there's no calipers. Interesting. So the paint's actually chipping on the wheels as well. From what I read, this is actually pretty common on this release. Yep, every single wheel is messed up. Looks like this will be getting a paint job. Oh man, how old is this tape? Got the tape off, left a little bit of residue, the door jamb, some more cleaning to do. At least this one's not covered in a bunch of dust. Yokohama. It's not terrible. Just want to point out that it's got Yokohama on the back. And it's got a fire extinguisher. So there you have it. One of my ultimate dream cars as a kid. Finally get to have it in 1/18 scale. and it looks sharp. Again, it's not like the highest quality, but I mean, again, it's one of those things you kind of have to battle with. I mean, who else is going to make this model? I mean, maybe, I don't know, Mizisto or something, but the quality is just not going to be quite the same. I mean, this is actually pretty good for what it is, especially from the time period that this model came from, and the wide body kit and stuff. I mean, like, this is really good. Like, everything's sticking on there good. So I mean, this is going to be repainted the wheels, but other than that, and well, I'm cleaning that door jamb. It's in pretty decent shape. What was your dream car as a kid? Post in the comments, let me know. And as always, guys, happy hunting.